So, first thoughts, it seems way better maintained than my other 601. So mine was like the same, it had like the same stickers when it was brand new, the 601. It's pretty cleaner-ish. Again, it unlocks extremely fast for a non-instant unlock. It's pretty clean. Yeah, it might have a little bit of a rip here, but it has hold paddles, which would do better. And it's the Shocks version one. So this is basically built like a Miller. Excepting the shock seems to be dead. So yeah, I don't know. This might be just the way they are. But again, they're not for sure. Anyway, quite proud to have this one, like this particular model. So now it has a bit of rust here and here, but I didn't pay that much for it, so still better than some machines these days. So anyway, I'm gonna like try to paint it and all that, and seems pretty good condition for now. I'm gonna take the top off, see what's inside, but for now, pretty good. So this is the machine. Pretty good condition actually. So we have shock absorbers, which is bad. I might be able to do a conversion to the brakes, but not for this video. So it seems it had jumped quite a bit there and there. Yeah, there's like a sponge here. Well, anyway, that's not important for now. So the belt's pretty tight on it, and those are like seems to be like Miller shocks. Like they're pretty much stylish to Miller shocks. And the springs. Let's make some light. Those are actually Miller springs. Look like. The stone seems a bit bigger than my 601, but not a lot of differences. Let's turn it on. Have a back view. Also, it actually balances, I think. It does have some kind of balancing to it. That might be 800. Not sure. Let me just check. No, that's 550. Let's put it to 800. Now this should be 800. And it's still spinning up. And full speed, so yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty fast actually. That's extremely fast. Well, that's that. It has the long type of melon pumps. These are known for melon machines to be like that built. So, oh, that doesn't seem too good. Oh, that doesn't seem so good. Oh well, I'm also gonna like try to paint it and all that, so that shouldn't be a problem. But this balancing module freaks me out because I never saw a Meloni with balancing system, like with an induction motor. So I don't know what to It has a tachometer, like those are wires for the tachometer, winding or whatever. So yeah, it seems pretty stylish inside. It's a Meloni after all, so I don't have any doubts it won't be interesting inside. One thing I noticed, it stops like right away, which would be a sign of brand new bearings, perhaps. Now I don't know how to pull this off. Yep, those are brand new bearings. So that's that for now. Hopefully I can do a wash race or a spin race or whatever, because I want to have this like right next to the Beko WMB, also unlocked. But for now, this is all I can say about it. I never ever did a test wash or whatever. So we'll see how that goes. But for now, it's pretty good. Like 8 out of 10. If I will replace the shock absorbers, it's gonna be even better. And again, it's not perfect, but remember, this is like from 1997. Wait, something like that. Yes, 1997. So it's even older than my 600 RPM one. So this survived so many years, and it just doesn't have like the same rust that this 4.5 years old Beko does. Like, look at that. This is nothing like compared to the Beko or even new indices. Like, these just can't be beaten up by anything, and it's just amazing. So I would recommend these all the time. And this is like my 600 RPM one. As you can see, the strokes are much stronger. And it's a bit more rusty, but again, not a lot of rust. That doesn't even know what rust is, but okay.